Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on grammar topics for the German language for A1 level. This is going to be the first and foremost video as far as the topics are concerned. And today we'll be solely focusing on the pronunciation tips, or also called as tips for Aussprache in the German language. So what we'll cover today are all the noun combinations and the important sounds that come out of the German phonetics. As far as we need to read the German language, we'll cover everything and every sound that we need to know. So before moving on, make sure to watch the video, and after watching the video, make sure to practice the sounds, practice the combinations, practice the words, so that you can successfully apply what we have learned today. So the first thing we have to see is the words which end with the letter G. So the pronunciation would be more like K. So tak, lang, suk, auskluk. Next up, we are having the words ending with the word day. The pronunciation will be more of like te, as in Abend, bald, light, land, und. Next up, third number, we have in IG pronunciation. So either we can say ik or ish, but non-German speakers mostly say this ish pronunciation as in wichtisch, ledisch, richtisch, wenisch, zwanzig, lustisch, günstisch, billisch. Although there are some German dialects which also say wichtig, ledig, but the foreign speakers, they often tend to say wichtig, ledisch, and like that. Next up, we have the very important combination of A and E, or E and I. The pronunciation will be I. So we'll say as in my, leider, teilen, seid, seid, white, bleiben, und Zeitung. Next up, we have IE. It will be pronounced as E, as in wie, sie, wieder, lieben, Lied, meter, liegen, Lieder. So students often tend to confuse this EI and IE combination. So make sure to pronounce them correctly. If it's EI, the pronunciation will be my, leider, teilen, and so on. And if it is IE, it will be wie, sie, wieder, and so on. After that, we have another very important combination which has multiple variation of sounds. So the seha or ch combination, we have the hard seha sound, also pronounced as buch, dach, kuchen, machen, auch, gebrochen, nach, und noch. Then we have the soft seha sound, which is pronounced as sh, as in München, Breschen, Mädchen, Kirsche, Milch, Euch, Mjösten, Kusche, und gleich. Next up, we have the seha, also pronounced as ka sound, so as in character, and so on. Right after that, we have the se, s seha. The pronunciation is more of sh, as in schreiben, Schule, schade, schlafen, schaden, schälen, schneiden, schon, und sure. And moving on, we have the au. The pronunciation is o, so as in Auge, Baum, Traum, Raum, brauchen, August, auch, und Haus. Right after that, we have a with an umlaut und u. The pronunciation is more of oi, as in toy, boy, etc. And the a und u also have the same pronunciation. So a umlaut u and a und u have the same pronunciation of oi, as in Bäume, läuft, Räume, Zeugnis, und Beutel. Then we have the Q und U, also Quelle, Qualität, Qualifikation, und Quash. Right after that, we have the P und F, so as in Ferd, Pfeffer, Pfleger, Apfel, Äpfel. After that, we have one very specific type of combination, SP or Sa, Pa, und Sa, Te. So it will be in the beginning of the word. So as in Spa und St. So the pronunciation will not be Sprechen, it will be Sprechen with the Sh at the beginning. And we'll have Studieren, Sprachen, Stunden, Straße, Sport, Stadt, Steffen. Then we'll have the words ending with the letter B. The pronunciation will be more like P. Urlaub, Leib, Job, und Gelb. Right after that, we have the T, S, Seha. So as in Deutsch, shoes. So the pronunciation is just sh. So again, Deutsch und shoes have the te, sa, se, und her combination. Next up, we have some miscellaneous ones. So se, unka, the pronunciation is ka, as in zuka, eka, zika. Te, ha, the pronunciation is just ta, thema, theater. Then we have the se, ha, s, as in ix. The pronunciation is ix, so zix, fux, unwechsel. Then we have the epsilon sound. The pronunciation is u, as in symbol, tip, tipish, analysis. Now we have some of the words here to practice, right? So, falsha, flasha, wine, bean, fine, here, tiger, Thailand, machen, muesli, wirklich, bleiben, geschäft, Geschenke, schenken, echt, vier, Jorgen, glücklich, zwei, müssen, Schrank, Sachen und Nachbar. So make sure to practice all of these combinations. And if you have any difficulties, you can also DM us through Instagram or any of the social media accounts, or you can contact us through the phone number. You can do that if you want to join the live classes for A1 till B2 batches as well. For today, this is it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.